Here in the Netherlands, where I'm living at, we have different kind of beers. Today, when I was in our grocery store, I found Bud. It's a beer I heard a lot about, but today I thought, hey, let's give it a shot. Let's buy a Budweiser. But does it make you any smarter? Who cares? It's a Bud. The last part sounds really weird. Let's not get into too much buts. I don't know where this beer comes from. Oh, never mind. It says on the label Americas. Okay, sorry. But Weiser, it sounds really German. I'm not in the possibility to Google it at this moment because I'm making a test video like this one, and it's a nice beer. Tastes like the beers that I can buy here in the Netherlands, but also in Germany. But the beers that I buy always here in the Netherlands are most of the time German beer. Germans are good in making beers, but the Dutch people also can make nice beers. So I'm not going to make any advertisements for Budweiser or Bud. I don't know how you Americans call this beer. Just Bud? Or is there more than Bud? Okay. I like this beer and it's nice. Oh, by the way, I don't know for your country which age you should be to drink beer, but here in the Netherlands, if you are younger than 18, you are not allowed to drink any beer. That being said, thanks for watching, and please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, ZHT Media, bringing you content about how-tos, reviews and many more. Thanks for watching.